I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple characters in Character AI Mobile. First, open the Character AI application on your mobile device. Then log in by continuing with your Google account and select your email. Once logged in, tap on Create from the bottom menu. Then tap on Character to start creating your new character. Enter the name of your character and tap Next. In the next section, describe what your character looks like, then tap on Generate. After that, tap Next. You can also play the voice and listen to it. If you want to change the voice, tap on Change and select a voice from the list. Once satisfied, set the character's visibility to public, unlisted, or private. Then, tap Next and finally tap Create. Repeat these steps to create multiple characters following the same process.